In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Slack to Zendesk. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have your Slack workspace connected so that messages can flow smoothly into your Zendesk environment. Let's start from your Zendesk support dashboard. Once you're logged in, look over to the left-hand side of the screen for the panel with all your icons. You'll want to find the small rocket icon. This rocket is what opens the Zendesk Admin Center, where all your configuration settings live. Go ahead and click that rocket icon, and the Admin Center will open in a new view or tab. Inside the Admin Center, we'll be working with your channels. Again, focus on the left-hand panel. Find the section labeled Channels and click it so that it expands. Under that expanded section, look for Messaging and Social, then choose the Messaging option. This is where Zendesk manages different messaging channels, such as web widgets or social integrations. You might already see an existing web widget listed here, and that's completely fine. Now, look toward the top right corner of the messaging page. You should see an Add Channel button. Click that, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this list, choose Slack. Zendesk will now guide you through creating a new Slack channel connection. You'll be asked to enter a name for this new channel. Pick something clear and descriptive so you and your team can easily recognize it later. Then click Next at the bottom right of the screen. On the next screen, look for the button that says Link Workspace in Slack. Click that, and a pop-up window or a new tab will appear, taking you to Slack's authorization flow. When prompted, click Continue to Slack to move forward. The page may reload, and Slack might ask you to enter your Slack workspace URL. Type in your workspace address in the field provided and proceed. You'll then see a list of permissions that the Zendesk app is requesting inside Slack. Take a brief moment to review these permissions so you understand what access you're granting. When you're ready, click the Allow button at the bottom right. After that, wait for the page to reload again. You'll be taken back to the messaging section in the Zendesk Admin Center. At this point, your Slack workspace is now successfully connected to Zendesk, and your new Slack channel should appear in the list of messaging channels.